What's up, guys? Welcome to Cara's Cucina, YouTube's first and only Emmy-nominated cooking show. I'm Cara Di Falco. Today is my birthday, so we are making cupcakes. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate chai cupcake, and I think these are a lot of fun. I love cake, but I don't love a super sweet dessert. I don't love a ton of frosting either on my cupcakes. I like them to be very balanced, so this is kind of how I would do things, and this is the kind of dessert that I enjoy. So we have to our flour, we're going to add in cocoa powder. I've got some chai spices here, so it's cinnamon, nutmeg, clove, allspice, a little bit of black pepper as well, and just a touch of ginger. We've got baking powder and baking soda. Of course, sugar, but I'm actually using brown sugar in this one just to kind of deepen the flavor a little bit. And everything sweet, as you guys know, needs a little salt. So we're just gonna get this all mixed, and the biggest thing here is to make sure we get all of these kind of clumps out of the brown sugar. So even if you have to reach in with your fingers and just break them up a little bit, that's fine. But we just want to make sure that this becomes nice and smooth before we add in our wet ingredients. Our dry ingredients are all mixed together, so now we're gonna add in 1 egg, a cup of milk. It can be any milk that you like. This is almond milk because I happen to have a dairy allergy, so it doesn't need to be milk. And I'm using coconut oil. Again, if you wanted, you could swap in butter here, or you could use another type of oil. We're gonna get this all mixed together. I have my oven preheating to 375 degrees. I have my cupcake tin lined. I love paper cupcake liners. It's just, to me, very nostalgic of childhood. So I prefer to use those. You can use decorative ones, you can use foil ones, you can not use them at all and just put a little cooking spray in here. But we're gonna fill each tin about 2/3 of the way with our batter. And then these are gonna bake at 375 for 18 to 20 minutes. While our cupcakes are baking, we're gonna make our vanilla frosting. To go with our chocolate chai cupcakes, I'm making a very basic vanilla buttercream frosting. So we have our butter, it's softened to room temperature. You can see the mixer goes right in. We're gonna start to beat this, and we're gonna add in a little bit of heavy cream. I've actually got some vanilla bean paste here, and then we're gonna start to add in our sugar. And again, because I don't like a very sweet cupcake, it's the least amount of sugar I can possibly use to actually get frosting out of this. You want to let your cupcakes cool a bit before you start frosting them, otherwise the hot cakes will start to melt your buttercream, and you can actually set your buttercream in the fridge for a little bit while you're letting your cupcakes cool so that everything's kind of at a better temperature. If you don't have a bag like this, a Ziploc baggie with the corner cut off will do, or if you really don't want to go crazy, you can always just use a knife and spoon it right out of the bowl. But I find this kind of fun. This does not necessarily mean I'm good at it, so if you're a cake decorating person, don't laugh at me. Serve your cupcakes to your favorite birthday girl or for whatever celebration you're doing. I hope you guys really enjoy this recipe. I know it's one of my favorite dessert recipes. Of course, you can find it at caradifalco.com. You can follow me, Facebook and Instagram at Cara Di Falco. Don't forget, still have some tickets available for my culinary tour of Italy next spring. You can find that and the full brochure at caradifalco.com/travel. I will see you guys next week. Hey, if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button as well. Buon appetito, and happy birthday to me.